Thule badle. Thule badle. Ufana kakawalo. Welcome to Moza Music, a platform where we react to music. Pull up, break the melody track, get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback, we inspire others. Basically, we post non toxic zone content. Bazalwane, yeah, ish. So as you guys are seeing this, it's a Sunday. As you guys can see in the intro yami, umamkhulu wami passed on. So it's Sunday manje abo 1 just came back. Oh god, this dog. Ay, patches. So just came back. So ngate I'll react so that I can just continue ngelang. So guys, as I'm currently shooting this, we are sitting on 505 subscribers. Remember, I said subscribe, comment done with your Instagram or your TikTok handle, and then one lucky person will stand a chance to win 20 rand worth of airtime. Now look, Samile, na subscribe I see, but no one is commenting anything. So that's my Jupiter. So yes, bazalwane. If all goes well, possible. Next week Monday. So today we are reacting to, oh Lord, pardon me, Bazalwane, for this. So what happened was I've explained. I left my tripod at the studio. So I strugglement is serious. So we are reacting to Revival Catholic Ministries. Mangingene mina Nkosi kulo indlu yakho. Hayi Zulu samba kancane. So without wasting you guys time, let's dive right into it. Yo, Baby Revival now was fine. That beginning sounded like a suspension intro a movie, bruh. Revival. I just came back from a funeral, bro. I just came back from a funeral. Revival just hey, hey, hey. Revival, you guys sound so unreal, bro. Like it sounds so unreal, man. Wow, shame, babe. Why? why, why you whistling, bro? Why you whistling? Either way, mommy, I call it, honestly, bro, this has to be the hardest entrance at Zion I have ever seen. I don't care what you say. If you have a problem, go argue with yourself and your ancestors. This is the hardest entrance Yabaholi I have ever seen in my life. Bro, do you hear how holistic number one they sound, bro? Do you hear how combined they sound, bro? Hey, bro, I've been to churches, man. I've been to churches where Abaholi get introduced or Bayangana, and I have never seen something as hard as this one. I even like the outfit too. That designs are dope, bro. Designs are dope, but bro, dog, listen, listen to Ipe's ne alto right now. S Banken, Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. Nina ngimbiza ngobaba Mtanzi, because he looked like that guy. Wagu Itong. Nani niyaz. Ay, revival, ay. Ay, stop. Sibalinda, salon. No, ay. Hey, this is the hardest entrance I've ever seen. This one, this goes hard, bro. It goes, like, oh my god. Guys, now I'm sorry, dog. One more time, bro. One more time. This entrance is hard. Yeah. Listen. Wakhona hala. Revival, no man, you guys. Nyambona one of kunabo baba la the video being ama video pa ngabukela. He was wearing pink. Now he's wearing white. Congrats, man. I don't know what it means, but if I see you wearing a different color, that means your rank has went up. Thank God. The third one. 1, 2, 3. Finally done. Tell me, revival is of Vuselela, bro. I need you to understand. Like bro, put a revival against anybody. I feel like, bro, they could take down anyone. That's why ngilwa kanje revival, ngithi revival fanele drop an album. I know it's expensive, bro, but and now things are a bit different. There's streams now, and I get there, bro. But man, y'all need to drop some music. You've been around for years, bro. For years. And yo, yo, I I won't lie. I don't know Vanu Shaifes. But I thought I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Why? I don't know why. I don't know why. But all I can tell you is this, bruh, a revival will revive you, bro. Hey. Bro, listen to that, bro. I if you were not impressed by that, I nothing will ever impress you. Nothing will. Mm. Oh my god. Revival. Revival. Ay, Sultan Bazalwan. Mina ke. Ay! Athi ngiyokhuluma namajazi kunelapha ngibhizi. I am waiting for Little Banda to drop those videos. I hope they do. When they do, Lalela, we post on this channel. So, I bazalwane. When I'm signing out in a favorite word of Street Jupiter. Babka.